All right, today we're going to be talking about theory. And if you're within our church, you're probably watching this video because it is a prerequisite to get on our team. And if you're a musician that's outside of our church and you have no idea who we are as Keypoint Church, this will still benefit you. I didn't understand theory, sharps or flats or numbers for a long time, and it took somebody sitting down with me and showing a very simplistic model to me that really helped me grasp this concept. And I want to show it to you, and it's basically going to take about 10 to 12 minutes within 2 videos of your time and a little bit of practice on your end, but the concepts are super simple. So everything that you've already thought of or already heard as far as theory and sharps and flats, if you don't understand it, or numbers, just throw it all out and just clear your mind and get ready to absorb something that is a little bit more broken down for you. So let's get started. I'm going to show you 2 processes, and the 2 processes I'm going to show you, the first one tells you how many. The second one tells you what they are. Okay, how many, what am I talking about? Sharps. Okay, and then this section we're going to be talking about sharps. So when you look at this circle, you're going to be thinking you're going to the right. Okay, we're going around the right of this circle. Okay, this process is going to tell you how many, and this process, what are they? How do I know what key has what sharps? Okay, how many, what they are. Let's get started. Okay, and in this process, you're also going to see me do some numbering, and very basic, and when I show it to you, you're probably going to go, wow, that was easier than I thought. So let's get started. The key of C is your starting point. Has zero sharps and flats. If you're looking at a piano, no black keys. 0 sharps and flats. Don't have to worry about it. It is your reference point. Okay? And I'm going to write the key of C. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay? All I did was write the alphabet. That's pretty much where you start. Write the alphabet. C to C. Okay? I'm going to add the numbers. Okay? This is where you want to pay attention for numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. That's it. That's all that happens. Because this is a 1, that's a 1. That's a C, that's a C. You just wrote the alphabet, you put your numbers. Now here's the thing with numbers. 2, 3, and 6, barring anything unusual, which there are things that happen, but for basic numbering, 2, 3, and 6 are minor. 2, 3, 6 are minor. Okay, 7 is diminished. I'm not going to cover diminished, but it's a little circle. That's what tells you what's diminished. If you want to know what a diminished chord is, go to Google. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. 2, 3, and 6 are minor. So you just figured out the key of D, knowing that 2, 3, and 6 are minor, and everything else is major. C, D minor, E minor, F, G, A minor, B diminished, C. You just figured out the key of C. C has no sharps and flats. It has no sharps, it looks like that, it looks like that. No flats, it looks like that. Okay, nothing. There it is. Let's start a key that will get you into some sharps. Let's do the key of G. I'm going to write the alphabet. G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It's the alphabet, nothing more. Okay? I am 1 step away to the right from C, my reference point. Every step away I get away from C, I'm going to add 1 sharp. Say, okay? So G has 1 sharp. Here's that process. What is it? Okay? I know what it is. What is it? Okay? When you count sharps, these are the names of the sharps. They will always be in this order. Okay? And this is how I remember this circle, and this is how I remember the names of the sharps. Fat cats go down alleys eating birds. That's how I learned it. That's how my teacher taught me, and it's stuck in my head, so you may use it. It's not the only one out there, I bet. F, C, G, D, A, B. Fat cats go down alleys eating birds. Start with the left and work your way right, however many sharps you have. If you have 1, it is F. So you find your F, put your sharp. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay, 2, 3, and 6 are minor. 2, 3, and 6 are minor. All you did was write the alphabet, put your numbers, know 2, 3, and 6 are minor, plug that in, find you're 1 step away from C. That gives you 1 sharp. Because of every step away from C, you add 1. You go over here, what is it? You found out your names of your sharps. You know that you start on the left and count over however many you have. F is your sharp. You plug it in, and it is diminished. Okay, so now you know the key of G. G, A minor, B minor, C, D, E minor, F, sharp diminished, G. You know your numbers. If somebody says, I need a 5, we're playing a 5 in the key of G, you should know you just start with G because that's your key, and you count over 5, and you just count the alphabet. G, A, B, C, D. D is my 5. Nothing difficult about that. You just have to know the alphabet and numbers. And most of us know that. And I wish I'd have learned this a long time ago because it is so simplistic. Okay? Let's go to D. I'm going to write the alphabet. D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. I wrote the alphabet. It's my first thing that I do when I look at a key. I write the alphabet. D to D. Okay? How many? How many are in the key of D? How many steps away? 1, 2. 2 steps. Go over here. What are they? I start with the left and work over to my right, however many I have, F and C. So F and C are my sharps in the key of D. So I go to F, and I go to C, and I sharp them. I put my numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay, 2, 3, and 6 are minor. There we go. Now I understand the key of D. D is my 1, E minor is my 2, F sharp minor is my 3, G is my 4, A is my 5, B minor is my 6, C sharp diminished is my 7, D is my 1. Let's do one more. You can do the rest of these. I encourage you to do this every day. Think about it as you're driving. This is what I do. My daughter and I, we sit and we talk. We're at a red light. How many sharps does the key of E have? That type of stuff. Quiz yourself. And I'm telling you, this stuff will begin to roll just incredibly well for you. Let's do a hard one. Let's go to the key of B. Write the alphabet. B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. All I did was write the alphabet. That's it. Okay, what do I do then? How many? My first process. How many are there? 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, there are 5. I go over here to what the heck are they? Okay? I'm going to start with F, and I'm going to count over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I know I have 5 sharps in the key of B. I'm going to plug it in. That's it. All I got to do. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp. Okay, I just plugged in how many, what they are. I wrote the alphabet. I put in my sharp signs. Now here I go. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. 2, 3, 6 are minor. 2, 3, 6 are minor. 7 is diminished. Now you know the key of B. This is a process that is super simple. I wish that somebody would have showed this to me a long time ago. I'm 35 now, and if I'd have known this, I would have saved myself a lot of headache. But that is how the sharps work. If you have any questions, get a hold of us on Facebook. Email me at joel@keypointchurch.com. I love theory. I love teaching it. This is very important. Don't go through your musical career and not think that this is important. Get it down, practice it. Numbers are simple, alphabet simple. This process, how many, is simple. How many steps away am I? What are they? Plug it in and you're good to go.